Hey Clarion's kitchen lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Abacha ENUGU. I started by soaking the abacha with hot water, washing it and draining it. On a low heat, I poured in my red oil. Add in the sliced onions, stir, go in with salt and also give it a good stir. I added my ogiri. This is optional. Go in with my dried pepper. If you love pepper, add more. It's time to mix. To do the agwa. At this point, you have to take your time to pour in mix, making sure it is well combined. It is alleged that Enugu State originated Abacha. Do you think it's true? Let me know in the comment section. Add in the crayfish and continue to mix. If this is your first time here, welcome to Clarion's kitchen. I'm glad to have you here. Please click the subscribe button and on the notification bells to see my next video. I went ahead to defrost, cut, cook and fry the fishes for the garnishing. Also for the garnishing, in a frying pot, I stir-fried Ugba, sliced onions, little salt and small palm oil for some minutes. I chopped my tomatoes, onions and Utazi leaves. Waiting time, I started with my abacha. Go in with my Ugba, the stir-fried Ugba. Followed by sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, the Utazi leaves, lastly the fried fishes, and I cleaned. This local delicacy can be prepared in different ways, but I prefer this frying method without potash. Thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you on my next video. Bye.